look for your exit. And Matthew, make sure you're using all the track coming out of 10 here as well, not keeping it too tight. Front tire happy. Here's the elevation change. Right next to the car. Brake pressure set your true, get the car slow. Work on the throttle out of the corner. Be patient with it. Just start squeezing it smooth right down, all the way down. And I'm not sure if you're using third or fourth gear here, but with fourth gear, if your line is good, you can commit to full throttle all the way through the S gear from 6 to 7. Third gear, you have to be a little tentative with it, and that's why I think fourth is sometimes better. Now, of course, you still got to slow for 8. Looking right for 9. A little bit early. Maintain a little bit of throttle to keep the speed, back to power. Balance in. Look at the exit, throttle, good. Line up to the finish line. Throttle.